Hello and welcome back. We're continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 302. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 covering these two boxes, so our 8 must be here. I don't see any other help, so 2, 9, 2, 9. If we look at this column, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this box now, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 covering these two boxes, so our 6 must be here. 2 here, so 9, 2. For this row now, we're missing a 3. For this top row, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 9, no help here, 4, 8, 9. 9 here, so 4, 8. If we look at this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got 3 and 5 here, so 9, 5 here, 3, 5. For this box now, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. And I don't see any help. So 2, 7, 9, 2, 7, 9, 2, 7, 9. For this row, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so this is our 7, 9 here, so 2, 9. That 9 makes this our 2, 7, 2, 9. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this column, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got 1 and 5 here, so this is our 6. 5 here, so 1, 5. For this box now, we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 5. 9 here, so 8, 9. For this bottom row, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. For this box, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this row, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 8. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 6. This 4 and 8 makes this our 9, 4, 8. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this column, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. And to finish out this box, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.